Let us look into something pretty interesting that we are going to do. So I'm on to my website wherein we have built a very simple agentic process which is going to help us do AI readiness assessment. So herein we are going to find out where our business stands with respect to AI and how can we get a clear path going forward. So basically we are going to understand how much ready are we with respect to AI. All right. In regard to this, we are going to look into 7 scenario based questions. We are going to be brutal honest with respect to what we do, and we will let AI take control and generate an AI enabled report. And we'll try to get the exact solution. So we are going to take this assessment right away. So 7 scenarios, 90 seconds to answer. It's AI powered and it is free. All right. So let me just click on this assessment tab. All right. The first thing that it is going to ask me is my name. Let me put my correct name and let me put my email address. So I'm putting my correct email address because to take this quiz, we need to go ahead and provide our email so that we can even send it to us maybe over our email once the quiz is done. So let me just click on this send a verification code. This is going to authenticate you so that you can use this generative AI agentic application. And now I am going to go ahead and see whether I have received a 6-digit PIN code. All right. Okay. So 544848. All right. Let us verify and start. Now let us look into the AI ready assessment. The first thing that you can see right now is who are you? So, whether I work in a company, I'm building a startup, I run a business, I am a freelancer, I'm going to add one more student going forward in future, wherein I'm going to say one more question, sorry, wherein I'm going to say that I'm a student, maybe something else that I would like to add. We can add it up. You can also give your suggestion and I can take up that suggestion. Right now, I'm working as a freelancer, so let me just click on this. The second question is what space are you in right now? So right now I'm working into professional services, though I'm part of education and training, but I am into professional services. I do consulting apart from education and training. So I prefer to give an option of professional services. And here I have a question. Okay, so it's Monday, 9 a.m. You have 47 emails, 3 deadlines, and a meeting in 2 hours. What are you going to do? Are you going to sort out through everything manually? I, I do have some shortcuts, or you can say I'm going to handle all by myself. I have tools that can auto sort and prep key stuff, or most of it is already handled. Maybe I'm using some agent to be able to do this. So let me be brutal honest right now. I'm going to go with education and training, and I'm going to say half of it is handled. No, I'll say I have tools that is going to do the work for me. All right. Now, someone in your space just delivered in 2 weeks what would take 2 months. Now, this is an honest reaction. It's not realistic. I think it is. I need to figure out what they did. Not really. I know how they did. Okay, so I know how, but to be very honest, I haven't started it up yet. Now, the next question, I hope you're enjoying the question. There are some interesting questions that I put up. The next question is what eats the most of your time that honestly doesn't need your brain? Writing email, proposal, and report, searching for information across files and tools, data entry. I think data entry, scheduling follow ups. Since I am into training and training and education, report writing, email proposals does take time. Now, if I handled you an AI tool right now, what happens? To be very honest, I can get started using it within 1 day and I can get started working for my task because I do know how AI tool works. Now, if AI gave you 2 hours every single day, what would you actually do? So, what would I do if I get 2 hours free? I'll breathe easy. No, I'll finally have time to do more things. So, I'll try to complete my activity passion, which I have been postponing, which is pretty amazing. Now, the moment I do this, you're going to get analysis of your answer with a voice enabled information, and I'm going to keep myself silent now.
Jalal, you're already using some automation tools and have a good understanding of AI. You just need to start applying it to your biggest time drains like emails and proposals. By focusing on automating these tasks this week, you can reclaim up to 7 hours each week. Over the next month, expanding this will make your workflow much smoother and give you the time you want to finally tackle those postponed projects. You're close to catching up with your competitors, it's just a matter of taking that first step.
Wonderful. That means I can really automate. So I've got a score of 65 out of 100. I am a freelancer, so I think the score is good. And if you can see, it is giving me what I'm doing right now correctly. It's saying you're already using tool, but the uncomfortable truth is despite knowing how to implement, okay, your biggest time drain is a problem. Okay, this is what is still done manually. It was able to find, which I is taking a lot of time of mine. Okay, I'm approximately losing 10 to 15 hours per week to handle this work because I'm writing reports, proposals, email. Now, your readiness breakdown, if you can see mindset, skills, workflow, how I'm able to automate. So, if you see my readiness is good, skills are good, I'm not able to automate my workflows. And if you see readiness, you have the tools and the knowledge, but you haven't fully deployed where it can save the most time. So, this is something that I need to work on. Now, if I go down Monday, your Monday, now with respect to now what you're doing and with respect to AI, if you see, I'm trying to self assess whether it is correct or not. Start the day. Okay, this is what I'm doing right now with key documents. Here I'm going to begin the day with AI generated draft or emails. So maybe I can use Copilot. Here, spend less time on repetitive writing. This is also something that can be looked, maybe using an agent to be able to do work, maybe Copilot co-work, okay, or maybe using Claude co-work. Feel confident matching or exceeding competitor speed. This is again very important if you want to survive in the business. And whatever extra time we have, we can complete our passions and goal. Quick win for me. This is what I can do initially. Automate email and proposal drafting with AI. It can save a lot of time. 30 days plan it is giving me, which is amazing. Week 1, implement AI writing tools, expand AI to use report generation thing, and refine AI outputs and integrate AI into border workflows. So that means automate. And in education and training sector, it is saying AI adoption is accelerating with 58% of freelancers reporting increased efficiency after integrating AI tool. This is coming from the internet search because I have integrated internet search at the back end. Many are automating content creation and client communication, which are traditionally time intensive tasks. Compared to other freelancers who are fully automated, this is where I'm lacking behind. So I've got something. I can retake the assessment. I'm going to add an option to send it to us over an email. If I want to book a call based on what we are able to understand, I can just click on this and we can go ahead and schedule a call, maybe for the discovery, wherein you want to understand how AI can help your business, a consultation that you want to get with respect to how you want yourself or maybe your team to get trained, and maybe a AI strategy workshop where you want to implement AI, the strategy, the tools, and implementation. You can select an option, and we are here to help you out. Again, you need to automate your email, and then you can select the time zone and you can set up a call right away. So, let me just show you if you want to set up a call, how can you do that on our website. So, herein, I am just going to check whether I have received an email 518930. All right, let me set up a call. So I can set up a call. Maybe I'm living in India. I can select a date. I can select after 2 days of schedule. I can select a time. Maybe I'm comfortable with a time, maybe 9:30 to 10 in the morning. So it is just going to give me a confirmation email. Okay, I'm going to give my full name again because I am booking a call, so I need to be authentic for AI implementation in my organization. All right, let me confirm the booking. So this is how you can even set up a call with us if you're interested. So I'm just setting up a call. I'll be able to get a request on my email. So the request has been received. Training consultation with Jalal Khan. The booking is still pending, okay, because the person who is going to be the admin is going to look into the calendar of the consultant to be able to help you and assist you with regard to the work that you're looking to carry out for. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you're interested to get insight, you can subscribe for updates from our end and we should be able to take you forward. Thank you. And if you're interested, you can even subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. And I hope you enjoyed what we saw right now. Thank you.